Let's invite our first guest, Songul Jamal. A short introduction. She's the founder and CEO of Marine Conservation Pakistan. Through her venture, she aims to protect the declining coral reefs. They serve to protect the coral reefs in Pakistan using effective and easy to implement ways. A big round of applause for Songul Jamal.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Songul Jamal, founder of Marine Conservation Pakistan. Today I'll start discussing about our city Karachi and problems, and eventually from there we will go into how empowering women can create innovative ideas and even digital ideas where we can implement in preserving our environment. So in Karachi city we have hundreds of nalas, and out of those nalas there are 18 nalas that going directly flowing into our ocean without any filter, causing severe damage under the ocean for marine life and also for our own health. We think that everything that is outside won't affect us, so we deem to find solutions that are abroad. If you look at the conservation of corals, you will see it's mostly empowered by women, because women, like men, they can think, they can do, but women, they are more gentle and they're more caring about the environment. So empowering them and empowering their skills will benefit and help our environment together. So we as a company, as an organization, we enhance skill in coral propagation, scientific diving, and overall marine conservation. We are welcome to educate ladies and the youth of our country that are wanting to leave Pakistan and find opportunity abroad. For us, we want to give you the opportunity by upgrading your skills in scientific diving, in coral nursery building and propagation. That way you can join me and we can do great things in not only in blue economy where it's multi-billion-dollar market, but also we can restore whether it's our mental state, our health, the environment, and overall our country's well-being. So I would like to also show you some videos of how our underwater looks like. What you see on the screen underwater is ghost net problems. If you dive underwater from, let's say, Karachi towards Gwadar, you will see that everything is like a death trap inside. There is no awareness in ocean. Most people, they don't know what kind of problems are going to cause into our health. So I will request not only women, but our all youth not to leave Pakistan, stay in Pakistan, look for opportunities, smart opportunities, look for innovations, because we have very intelligent youngsters. They have potential of creating amazing things, even whether it's in environment, whether it's in marketing or anything. We can do impossible. Most of the time, like since I moved to Pakistan from abroad, I see that everyone, whether it's parents, whether it's people themselves, they want to go abroad. They are thinking that when they will go abroad, they'll have more opportunities. But they have to remember one thing, is that no matter where you will go, your roots are here, your ancestors are here. If you leave, there will be nobody saving. Please join us, enhance your skills with us. We can teach you through the workshop. You can inquire in scientific diving. It's a lot of fun. And of course, you will have opportunities abroad as well. But my request for the youth is please stay home. Stay with us. We can be strong. We can make it happen. And I have a really high hopes for you guys, because you are our future. You are our future generation. And if you leave this country, we won't have anything. We won't be able to survive. Because if you look at the condition of the ocean, it's already dead. If you can't go into the city ocean and like you're thinking that you are breathing fresh breeze, but it's not. It's all the bacteria and microbes from the nala that been going into the ocean and into your face. So everything in the city that you consume has effect from the aquatic pollution. Everything that you throw goes from your plate, it comes back into your plate, into your body as well. Our marine life and wildlife is severely disturbed. Some species of corals are severely declined and are no longer visible. I've been seeing in the diving community, like if you go to Thailand, you go to Vietnam, Singapore, you will see that most scientific divers, most coral propagation advocates and even coral guardians, they are all females. They have such an incredible power to do impossible things. Like look at me, I came to Karachi 2 years ago with minimum money, with no idea where I will stay and what I will do. But I made a mission that I'll come and no matter what, I'll make it happen. So every day, it's a rush to make something happen. And if there is me, someone like me can do it, then all of you can do it. So I appreciate you guys to join us and do something for our country because you are the key. So I hope you guys join us and save our country with your innovations. Thank you.